Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to study what is bounded set, what is unbounded set, and then we are going to study what is a supremum and what is an infimum of a set. So first of all, I hope that you watch this video continuously. Don't skip this video because we are going to clear your concept totally. Okay, so first thing, before going to study what is a bounded set, you have to know what is bounded above. When we call a set is bounded above, and when we call a set is bounded below. So first definition, you have to know what is bounded above. What is bounded above? Okay. A set S ये एक रियल नंबर के सबसेट है ना. A set S is called bounded, स्पेलिंग में जिसके शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा है, is called bounded above if there exists, if for all x belongs to S के हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए there exists capital M belongs to capital R, है ना. There exists a real number capital M such that x is less than n or equal to n. S में जितना भी एलिमेंट है वो हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए ये सेटिस्फाई होना पड़ेगा कि S के हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए आपको ऐसा एक सिर्फ ओनली वन एलिमेंट ए रियल नंबर m आपको मिलना पड़ेगा such that वो रियल नंबर जो है ना, ये कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करते कि वो कंडीशन क्या है, such that every element of this set S are less than m or equal to m. So this is the definition of bounded above. Now you have to know what is bounded below. Bounded below इसका definition. A set S is called bounded below if for all x belongs to S there exists capital G belongs to R such that हर एक एलिमेंट x is greater than G or equal to G. यानी ऐसा एक रियल नंबर G आपको मिलना पड़ेगा such that उस सेट में कंटेन होने वाला हर एक एलिमेंट x वो G से बड़ा होगा या फिर G के बराबर होगा, है ना. So ये कंडीशन है एक सेट when we call a set is bounded below. So this is the definition of bounded above. This is the definition of bounded below. Now let us see an example. S is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a set. This set है ना. So since अभी देखिए 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4, 4 is equal to 4. Since there exists m is equal to 4 such that हर एक एलिमेंट जो है ना S के वो less than 4 or equal to 4 such that for all x belongs to S, x is less than 4. ये तो क्या ये 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4 or equal to 4. Yes, 4 is equal to 4. So ये condition है. So this set S is bounded above. Is this set S is bounded below? Since there exists capital G is equal to 1, such that for all x belongs to S, for all x belongs to S, क्या होता है? X is greater than 1 or equal to 1. Yes, everything or every element are greater than equal to 1. इसका है ना? So ये condition भी satisfy हुआ. That means S, this set S is an example of both bounded set and both example of an unbounded. So bounded below set, bounded above set. So ये तो होता है. So मैं इसको हटा दिया. So अभी लिखूंगा. So S equal 1, 2, 3, 4 is an example of bounded above set and bounded below set. ये bounded below भी होता है, bounded above भी होता है, दोनों होता है. Okay? Now अगर bounded above होता है तो उसको bounded above set, bounded below होता है तो bounded below set. तो अगर बाउंडेड एबोव और बिलो दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, जैसे कि ये S, then what we will call that set. अगर एक सेट बाउंडेड एबोव भी होता है, बाउंडेड बिलो भी होता है, then this type of set is called bounded set. Okay? When a set S is both bounded above and bounded below, then we call the set S is bounded set. Okay, so this is the definition of a bounded set. So ये हो गया bounded. अगर इन दोनों कंडीशन में किसी एक भी कंडीशन अगर सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हुआ, या फिर ये जो सेट S अगर बाउंडेड एबोव नहीं हुआ, या फिर अगर बाउंडेड एबोव नहीं हुआ, या फिर बाउंडेड बिलो नहीं हुआ, then we call the set is unbounded. इन दोनों में से सिर्फ एक कंडीशन अगर सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ, या फिर either it is not bounded above or it is not bounded below, then the set is called unbounded set. So bounded set उसका भी definition हुआ, unbounded set उसका भी definition हुआ. तो bounded set और unbounded set हमें अभी समझ में आ गया. So